Signs that your wife is probably cheating on you. Cheating ends a relationship. There is no real way forward. Do you suspect that is cheating? Let's take a look at some red flags. There are no guaranteed signs, but there's some things to look out for. Number one, every time that phone has a notification, she leaps at it. And then when you ask about it, she hides. Sign number two, she's no longer interested in spending time with you. There's a certain physical coldness from her. Number three, she is going through extreme lengths to improve her physical appearance, but doesn't want to get intimate with you. Who is she really trying to impress? Number four, having frequent arguments, for example, over silly things like the cereal in the morning. So why she's doing it? She's doing it because she feels guilty and she wants to create some friction with you. Number five, the relationship is not there anymore. That sweet, cuddly girl that you fell in love with, Medusa. So you got to take steps. If you believe that your wife is cheating on you, you got to own up to that fact. I'm not saying you should hire a PI and go to any of those lengths, but you should have a discussion with her. Sit down with her and say, listen, I'm feeling uncomfortable. What's going on in this relationship? Be open and frank. If you need help in your situation, whether that's preparing for a divorce, opposing a divorce, you're welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.